we're on day 2 working on this project. Probably don't have to introduce every day, considering I'm not really getting a ton done each day just yet. But I'm still working on cleaning this place out. I'm at the point to where it's just slower and more difficult to really clean and organize because everything has a different place to go. I gotta figure out a place for tools like this weed whacker. I've got this snowboard, this old Rosignol snowboard. This is an original run Rosignol snowboard from like 1992 or something. It was the first time they went from skis to snowboards because they were massive and still are a massive skiing company. This was like my second snowboard, I think, and it's like from 1992. I still want to keep it. I want to have it kind of redone because it's in really bad shape. But it's like a really rare piece of history. I don't even know how much it's worth. Maybe nothing, but if I fix it up, it could be a pretty penny. I even have, actually, my first snowboard. I started snowboarding when I was 8 years old. It's like this big, like to here, and it's an old Burton snowboard, an original Burton when they were a new company. I should really break those out. Anyway, things like this I have to keep because I would like to fix, or just personal history. So this goes into like a storage unit with my sporting goods and kind of keepsakes. That tool, who knows where it's going to go. This entire table over here has got random junk on it. Everything has to go to a different place. I have to find things to throw away, find things to keep. I'm going to be using storage units, water tower, garage, this little inlet over here. So this part is just going to take a while. It's just a lot of thinking, but yeah, that's where I'm at. Day 2, I'm gonna continue cleaning this out, and I'll probably stop announcing each day per video unless I'm taking a really giant leap forward in the project. That's it. That's my TED Talk. Go fuck yourself, San Diego. Now, in an unfortunate turn of events, after looking around and studying my job, looks like I'm gonna have to organize and make some room in the water tower before I can even move any further. This is the kind of pain in the ass in working on a property like this where everything is a mess, everything is disorganized, and there's junk everywhere. You have to work on 10 different things just to work on one thing. So in this instance, organizing the water tower in order to move stuff from here to the water tower. I have to reorganize some of the storage in order to move some of the stuff from here into storage, just to inevitably be bringing that stuff back into a different area, or maybe even this area after it's done. It's part of the job. Like, you've got to constantly be moving things to different places until you find out where they belong forever. And it's frustrating, and it sucks, and it's part of the reason why some of these jobs take me so damn long. Because I've got to find the fortitude, wherewithal, motivation to clean out 10 different places and move around 10 different things to different areas repeatedly. But yeah, that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna work on the water tower for a bit. You gonna stay there? Huh? Good boy. Gonna have to move all this workout equipment into storage, so I'll get started with that now. Get in, bud. I know, it's boring. I can barely handle it myself. Lots of Diet Pepsi. That's all we got, buddy. Oh shit. Go. I think I'm gonna move these last couple of things and call it. You ready to finish? All right, let's go. Go. Where you going? Come on. Maybe we'll have a bigger day tomorrow. It's just only able to get a few hours of work in on this stuff each day. It's really getting me down because it's just taking too long. You've seen, I had to find places for things, organize one unit to move some things, and go organize another unit just to move some things, and it's just constant. Buddy, hey, rude. Come on. Let's play baseball. Come on. What am I doing? Oh, yep. You know what I'm doing? Get the ball. Yeah, he knows. Okay. Wait. Okay. No, you gotta wait. No, you gotta wait. Ow! You gotta wait. Huh? Wait. He's so excited. Buddy, I know the bat. I'll get the bat. Go. No. Go. No. Go. Come on. Go. No. Go. No. You can't bite a metal baseball bat, stupid. Wait. Hold on. No. Jack. No. Come on. No. Okay, we'll leave the car. No. Come on. Sit. Lay down. Stay. Good boy, good boy, good boy. Come on, come on, come on. Oh. Stay, stay, stay. Good boy. Let go, let go, let go, let go, let go. Lay down, lay down, lay down, lay down. Stay. Good boy. Good boy. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on. Come on. Ah, give me the ball. Give me the ball. Ah. Oh, snap, guys. Hope he finds that. Get it, buddy.